Gingon mo din sa Isaiah 56 verse 8, the Lord God which gathereth the outcast of Israel said, yet will I gather others to him, beside those who are gathered unto him. So the title, The Great or A Work of Reform, is a very timely message for all of us because he wanted to share to the people that the Sabbath is not only for the 70 Adventists, for the 70 Baptists, for the Jews, for the so-called Israelites, for the so-called members of the Judaism group, but this is actually for everyone. Actually, this is not really the plan of God that this Sabbath should be confined in the congregation of His people in this last beforehand. But there is a prophecy that foreshadowed the gathering of the Gentiles. And this should be reached out by proclaiming the Sabbath message. Unfortunately, we know from the prophecy, we know from the history that already transpired, that someone, okay, who took God's law into insignificance. Now, in page 612, it says, the seal of God's law is found in the 4th commandment. This only, of all the 10, brings to view both the name and the title of the lawgiver. When the Sabbath was changed by the papal power, the seal was taken from the law, and the disciples of Jesus are going to restore it. Again, this is a call for reformation. Now, we know from the very history, Daniel 7:25, he shall speak great words against the Most High, he shall wear the saints, and it shall be given unto 1,260 days. Of course, he successfully do that. He think to change times and laws. But don't you know that the main reason that Satan attacked the 4th commandment, the Sabbath commandment, is because this is God's seal.